Good evening. In the last videos, we discussed various programs related to the recursion. So on the first things we have seen number related programs. After this, we have concentrated on string related programs. So today also we are going to see some string related. Tomorrow we will discuss about array related, and the last some few applications are there on this recursion. So with that recursion we are going to wind up. Okay. Now, sir, what is account 18? Sir, let me take 19th program. It is also related to the string, related to recursion string. Sir, what is our agenda here is nothing but here given a string, implement a program. Okay, implement a program. Okay, implement a program. Sir, implement a program to replace the given character. Okay, the given old character. Okay, the given old character with a new character in the original string. Okay, in the original string. Sir, if you are having a original string, so you are supposed to replace, okay, the string with old character to new character. Let me take, I have one simple string with the name code x. Okay, assume here my target is I want to replace wherever the character x is there, I want to replace this character x with character y. Can you tell me, sir, what output we are expecting here? Yes, everyone, please post it on chat window. Yes, what output we are expecting from this? Good. Sir, code y. So you have to replace x with y. Suppose if I have double x hi, sir, double x. So what output we will get? Sir, double y hy double y, like this. Sir, if I have x by x, so then what will happen? Sir, we are going to get y by and then y. Okay, so here our target is we have to replace the character x with the character y. That is our main concept, sir. Of course, we are in deep with recursion, we know how to solve this. Okay, sir, we will take a Java program for solving this. Anyway, we are very familiar with that. Just we have to concentrate only on base condition, rest of the things is in our hand. Sir, here you can able to see I am asking any string from the user. I am going to read that. Sir, what is the function name? I think I can say replace. Okay. Sir, what input we have to pass? Yes, we have to take at the same time yes dot length minus 1. Okay, yes dot length minus 1. Length of the string. Yeah, that's all. Sir, now, so what is the function name that we have taken replace? Let us take, so replace function, otherwise I will write newly. Sir, static string function name is replace, which will receive a string s and integer index value. Sir, first one, what we have to take? Base condition, right? Our main target is base condition. Sir, what if the value of n is less than 0? Then I want to return an empty string. Why we are returning empty string? From the day one we are observing, because so once if you are inserting the data into the stack, okay, once if you are inserting the data into the stack, so what will happen? Sir, it is very simple, sir. Yes, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, like this we have stack entries. Okay, so consider in the case of a stack, what will happen if you are storing characters? Here one character, here one character, here one character, here one character, here one character. At last, whenever you are performing concatenation operation, character plus operator won't work for two characters. Immediately it will take ASCII values and it will perform integer addition. That is not our requirement. So at least if you pass at least the last element as empty string, sir, while performing plus operation, if at least one argument is a string, sir, immediately this plus behavior is going to be changed, like it is going to perform string concatenation operation. That's why, sir, base condition, I'm going to return empty. Yes, here it is not n, index is less than 0. This is the base condition. Sir, if recursion condition I'm taking, there are two possibilities are there. What is the first possibility? For example, if the given character is something like x, hai, x, like this, if I'm giving, what is the first character, or let me take what is the last character, x. If last character is x, update with y and push that y into the stack. Next character, sir, is it x? No, directly you can push. Okay, sir, is it x? No, directly you can push. Sir, is it x? No, directly you can push. Sir, is it x? Yes. Then what we have to do? Update to y and then you have to push. Okay. Sir, now what will happen? What will happen? The first character what we are getting is y. The next character is nothing but h. The next character is nothing but a. The next character is nothing but I. The next character is nothing but y. Sir, is replacement happened or not? Yes. This is the input and this is the output. Okay. Sir, what we have to do here? Base condition is to stop. That we have seen already. What about rest of the conditions? Two conditions. One is if the given character is x, one case. If the given character is not x, another case. Simple possibilities. Now, if s dot char at of index, okay, whatever index you are passing, in that index, if really x is there, then what we have to do? Okay, so consider I am going to write some instruction. Sir, what I am going to do? Return something. I will write later. Else, that means, one second. So if that character is not x, then what we have to do? Sir, if the character is not x, then what I am going to do is simply I am going to call replace function. Okay, I will take the string as it is and index -1 I will pass. But that character we have to append or not? Yes, if x is not there, directly you can push it into the stack. So how to find out character at given index? Just now we have taken right same thing, sir. I need to take here so that that index value located character will be pushed. Sir, can I call the same replace function here also? Yes. If the given character is y, sir, don't append this. Don't append this. Simply try to append y. That's all. There ends the matter. That's all. So if the character is not y, as it is, you have to take. If the character is y, if the character is x, we have to replace with y. If it is not x, then we have to print as it is on the stack. That's all. I think other than this, there is no modification in the program. Okay, but let me execute, see what will happen. Okay, first we will try to execute. So we know we have to use command prompt for this, and Java C test.java I am taking. I think so. There is no error in the code. Let me run the program. Enter any string. Okay, enter any string. Sir, I am taking the string as, okay, something like, what is the test cases that we have taken here? Yes, code X, right? Sir, code X I am giving. Sir, what output we are getting? Code Y. Sir, I am giving X high X. Sir, what output we are getting? Y high Y. Sir, double X BYE double X I am taking. Sir, is it coming double Y or not? Yes. This is the way how we can able to implement this program. Okay. Sir, in which programming language we implemented this? Java. Okay, this is nothing but recursively. Of course, we have replace functions are there already in the string, but recursively how we can able to solve this problem. I think you got very clear clarity, sir. Okay, right. I think no need to take, no need to trace this program. You people got very clear clarity here itself, right? Sir, any doubts up to this, friends? Please confirm. Yes, any doubts up to this? Yeah, 1919. Ajit, we can use that. We can use that without using inbuilt function. Means we have three options are there for this. One is nothing but you can use a replace method which is existed, and what is another thing? I think you can use a loop and the help of string buffer. You can take string buffer or string builder help. You can take. Another one is by using recursion. So I think you know about these two. Today you came to know by using recursion also we can solve these kind of things, right? Here we have Sanoj Kumar. Here we are not using replace function. We are using replace method which is defined by ourselves. Okay. This file is not 18. This file is 19, right? Right. So next one. Okay. Next one. Sir, what is the next one? What we have here is sir, I want to perform something like searching operation. Okay, I want to perform something like searching operation. Okay, so implement a program. Okay, sir, to count. Okay, implement a program to count the number of times, the number of times given string. Okay, given string appeared in the original string. Just counting operations. For example, so Python is sir very okay. I want to search for very easy programming like this I have. So in this, I want to search for which string, sir. I want to search for the word called very. How many times it is available? Two times. Sir, Java is very easy. Okay. Sir, what I can able to take? How many times it is available? One. Okay. C programming is easy. Okay, how many times the word very is available here? Zero. So I need to search for the word called very. Okay, using recursion, I want to implement this program, sir. Using recursion, I want to implement this program. Let us see how we can able to use this. Okay, let us see how you can able to use this. I think for this some hard work is required. Let us do that. Okay, now, sir, what is the first thing that we have to do? Here, yes, count method I will take. Okay, count method I will take. So which will have a string, and also we are going to pass s dot length minus 1. Okay, now we have to implement the method called count. Sir, static string count I am taking. Okay, now you have to do the task. Sir, listen carefully. What is my analysis? For example, which word you are searching? Very right, very right. Suppose if the length of this string, okay, if the length of this string, whatever you have given, is less than 4 characters, whatever length you are giving if it is less than 4 characters, I think that word is not available or not? Yes. So what is the base condition? What is the base condition that I am providing is if length of the string, okay, length of the string, that is nothing but index value, is less than 4, then sir simply you can return 0. I think here return type is not a string, it is integer, because how many times it is available, it is going to return, right? So if index value is less than 4, that is length only, right? Index means length only. If it is less than 4, then we are going to return 0, because definitely that word very is not there. For example, consider my input is abcd. Compulsory you have to compare, is it a very or not? Suppose if it is abc, what is the length? What is the index value? First we are going to pass length minus 1, which is nothing but 2, right? Okay, sir, if index value is, suppose if it is 4, what will be the index value that we are going to send? 3, right? So if it is 3 characters, it will be, so if it is less than 3, index value is less than 3 means directly you can return. Sir, is it very? No. Sir, even if you have er, it is not correct. Very means compulsory index value should be minimum 3. So 0th character, first character, second character, third character. So if it is less than 0 means you can return 0, stating that is not a valid point. Okay. So this is nothing but what we have base condition. So what is another thing? You have to write a condition and we have to, sir, return something. We have to return something. If the condition is not satisfied, we need to return another thing. Sir, what is the condition satisfied means? I can say recursive condition 1. What is a recursive condition 1? Sir, if a very word, okay, very word is existed, then what we have to do? Sir, what is the recursion condition 2? Sir, if a very word is not existed, if very word is not existed, then what we have to do? Sir, if a very word is not existed, no need to count, right? Simply I am going to take a count function. Simply I am going to take a count function. I will pass the string and index minus 1 I am taking. First, I will explain the second part. For example, consider I have given the string something like ABC. Okay, abcd. Okay, like this I have given, otherwise again abcd, like this I have given. Sir, now what we are doing? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So index value is nothing but 8, sir. Okay, index value is nothing but 8. I know here the value is not there. If a value is not there, is it possible to push anything into the stack? Not required, right? So directly I'm going to call the recursion. What will happen? Index minus 1. What is the index value that you have given? 8. Now for 7 it will check. Sir, is there any very word? No. Again index minus 1. Is there any word? No. Sir, again index minus 1. Again index minus 1. Again index minus 1. Index minus 1. I think with this the input will be stopped and it is going to return 0. That 0 will be printed. This is one possibility. Okay. Sir, this is nothing but recursive condition 2. Sir, what about recursion condition 1? Sir, it is very simple. Don't think too much. The condition is nothing but we have one predefined function is there. Using that we can check. Suppose if your string contains a very word, then what we are going to do, sir? Very simple. 1 plus count of s comma index minus 1. Index minus 1 or 2. Okay, first I will take index minus 1. Okay, that means what? Sir, here I am searching for the word called very. Unfortunately, the input is also very. Sir, what is the index value? So 0 1 2 3, third location. Sir, in this third location we will write a condition here. I will explain that. Sir, once if the condition is satisfied, that means if the word very is there, try to insert 1 into the stack trace. That means one time it is available. Suppose if you have very abc and very we have like this means, sir, first very it will be added 1. For abc it won't return anything, that means it will return 0. Okay, for another very it is going to return 1. Like this, what will be the output? 2 times it is available. Sir, what condition we have to take? That is very very important. Okay, sir, there is one special method is there with name equals. Sir, I am checking whether it is equals to the word called very. Sir, I know this is already we have given in the program, but on which you are checking very, that is very, very important, right? For example, if you take here a string like abcd, okay, vey, okay, sir, abcd, so wxyz abcd, like this if you are taking, is there any word called very? No. But according to length, we have options. We are going to check whether it is available here or, and we are going to check whether it is available here or not. Like this we have to check. Sir, which condition we have to use? That is very, very important. The condition, that is nothing but I am not going to use s dot equals. If you use s dot equals, what will happen? Every time the string can value contains this very word, how many times it is available, those many times it will be existed. That's why I am going to use a special method called substring. Okay, so we are going to extract a portion of substring. So what about index values? This is very, very important, sir. The first value is nothing but index minus 1. Okay, the first value is nothing but index minus 1. The next value is nothing but, sir, I'm going to take index plus 1. Okay, index plus 1. 1 minute, here it will be length, right? Yeah. So what about very length? I think here we have to take index minus 3. It will be okay. Let me check first. If not, we will replace. Sir, now consider I want to check for this particular word. Sir, where, what is the value of this t, sir? Maybe 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This one is nothing but 19. Next one will become 18. Next one will become 17. Next one will become 16. Listen carefully. Now, sir, what about index value I am going to pass? Sir, we are going to pass the index value as a length minus 1. That is nothing but 19. Okay, sir, now observe carefully. Index value is 19. So what formula we have used here? Index minus 3. Sir, that means 19 minus 3. So for the substring, okay, for the substring, one argument is nothing but 19 minus 1, which will be 19 minus 3, which will become 16. Sir, second argument is nothing but 19 plus 1, 20. Sir, what is the index values that we are passing for substring? The first value is nothing but a starting index. Second value is nothing but ending index minus 1. I think you have remembered this. Now what will happen? It will start searching from 16th location. That means from here, ending is 20. 20 minus 1 means, sir, 19. This is the thing, right? Sir, now the output what we got is nothing but ABCD. Can you please compare with this very? Is it equal? No, it is not equal. Sir, if it is not equal, then what we have to do? Count of yes. If it is equal, then, sir, one value we are incrementing. Then count of yes comma, sir, here we have to take index minus 3. Sir, what is the index value here? What is the index value here? 19, right? 19, right? 19 minus 3 means what? Immediately the control will move to this position. That means in this location we have to perform next searching operation. That is the meaning what we have. Sir, if the search is successful, then increment one value, that is add one value to the stack trace, then leave that word and continue rest of the things. Suppose if that string is not existed, then maybe a chance, right? Suppose if the given input is like this. Okay, if the given input is, sir, VERYX, then there is a chance, right? So if it is not matched with X, directly we should not jump. So we have to go index minus 1. Here possibility is there. Suppose if very word is there, we should not compare from here. We have to come out from this and start comparing from here. For that purpose, so how many words are there here? That index value I'm going to subtract. Okay, first let me check. If it is not working, we will replace. So I think here we should not use it to. Okay, first let me check. We will run the program. Okay, no problem. Java C. Sir, I saved the file, right? Test.java I'm taking. Sir, code compiles fine. Java space test. So A, B, C, D. Okay, V, E, R, Y, W, X, Y, Z. Like this I'm taking. So one time it is existed. A, B, C, D. So V, E, R, Y, M, N, O, P. So V, E, R, Y. Okay. So W, X, Y, Z. Sir, now I think it is working properly. Yes, good. So now we will run officially by providing our test cases. Sir, what is the first test case that I have given? Sir, C programming is easy. Like this I have given 0. Sir, now, sir, Java is, sir, very easy. How many times it is available? One time. Sir, Python is, so very easy. Okay, so you have to, okay, like this we can check, sir. This is nothing but what we have, how you can able to implement this program. Okay. Hmm. So Ishita, she has given one test case. 1 minute, please wait. Clear? Ishita, you got the output. And one more person, he has given one more string like this. So have you observed? We have very, okay. Vishal, can you please cross check? So we are getting 2 times. Clear? I request everyone to please confirm. Is it clear up to this, whatever we have covered? So I'm copy pasting all the possible executions, whatever we have given. UK is giving one more input. So Prakash sir is very good teacher. Yes, of course I know. That's why you people joined into my course, right, man? So technically I'm good, and I will always um what what happened? Not copied. Oh, you have given V capital. So if you want to ignore the case, then what we have to do, sir? What we have to do? Have you remembered? We have, yeah, Ajit. Ajit, you are very intelligent man. Keep on giving the inputs. Very good, very good. Hmm? Now you can see we are going to get. So just by ignoring, yeah, Vishal, you can use like that also. And Poonam, but sir, C very is not valid either. Very, no, very is not valid. No, it is valid. See, we are searching for the word. Suppose if you want to include the spaces, you can provide that. Okay, you can provide like this. Then what will happen? Sir, if you provide input as a very and very, so it won't count. Then if you provide like this only, it will count. Oh, again, it is not coming. Okay, just you need to cross check in that area, because beginning with the space is not entertaining. Like this, I think you can take. So there are possibilities are there. Just we have to cross check. Very space is important. So maybe if you are giving one extra space, I think here we have to change, right? Correct or not? Because one space value is also included. Like this, try to import, try to include. Okay. So if I give very, again one space, it will become 2. But if I give very, so it will take only 1, because this one is valid. Okay, but this one is not valid because the string continuation, this one we have given, but here it is not having space after this. Clear, Punam? You can cross check these things. You can play games. Clear, Poonam? Yeah, sir, I request everyone to please give confirmation one more time. Shall we go for next one? Hmm. Yeah, correct, Pradeep. Length is also very, very important. Now, so the next one, what we have, of course, this program already we have seen, but another version, a small change. Okay. So, so what is another version, another program? Implement a program. Okay. Pradeep Gaikwad. Today we will solve that also. So implement a program to count yeah, this one is previous program. Okay. Yeah, implement a program to replace, not a character. Okay, to replace the given string with okay, given string with a new string. Have you observed? Character already we have done. Sir, now we are doing replacement of string. Sir, character means we can use double equal to operator. Okay, character means which one we have to use double equal to operator. Sir, whereas coming to string, which operator we have to use? We don't have any double equal to operator. We have to use so dot equals method. Just now we have seen, sir. Okay, but that double equal to character related operations is completely different, right? But this dot equals method is completely different with respect to stack trace, all these things. That's why let us implement a program on that. Okay, let us implement a program on that. So I will do one thing. I will give test cases here. For example, let me take xpix like this. If you have, so I want to replace that pi with 3.147 or 146. This is nothing but my target. Okay, sir, pip is there means just we have to take 3.147p like this. So that means pi should be replaced with replaced with so 3.147. Don't treat it as a integer, so treat it as a string, sir. Okay, just for our convenient purpose I have taken this. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. Okay, I think the concept is clear for you people, right? Please confirm if the concept is clear, we can go for implementation. So why I am taking here, why I am taking this example here is nothing but whatever content we have covered in the previous program, same program will be there here also. Okay, so what we have to do, replace string. Okay, so just I am passing the given input, and then sir I am going to pass the number of that is index value. Okay, and at the time of receiving it is going to return a string value, and the function name is nothing but replace string. Now, sir, what is the base condition here? I think I should keep as it is. Yes, what is the base condition? Okay, sir, if the index value is less than 1. Okay, if the index value is less than 1, that means length is less than 1 means I think you have to return the same thing. We should not replace, right? So in our previous case, if the target is not available, we have to return 0, or we are going to return empty like this. But here we are dealing with the strings. Suppose if your input is abc, so what output you have to get? ABC only. If the input is AB, you have to get AB. If input is A, you have to get A1. That means what? If the required data is not available, you have to return the given string, whatever you have provided. So better to implement a substring method. Substring of starting from 0th location to index plus whatever you have given, sir, to return original string, to return original string. Okay, base condition is clear. Sir, next term, s dot substring of index minus 1. Okay, s dot index minus 1, index plus 1, because only two characters are there. If it is equals with, okay, if it is equals with pi, previously we have four characters, that's why I used minus 3, but now we have two characters, I am using index minus 1. Sir, this is nothing but if a py word is existed, okay, then sir, you have to keep this count as it is, but in previous example we have appended 1, but now you have to append which value? 3.147. That's all. But function name is going to change, right? What is a function name? The function name is nothing but replace str. S will be there as it is. In the place of index minus 3, you have to take index minus 2, because two characters we have. Sir, what is the recursive condition to? If the pi value, okay, if the pi word is not existed, then what we have to do? Just we have to use the same function name, like replace str, s comma, okay, s comma, what we have to do here? So we have to take s dot index minus 1 or minus 2, s dot index minus 1. uh 1 minute, we will check here. Suppose x, it is not there, so x is not matched, so we have to print as it is. Okay, right. So here I am taking s dot char at of index value I am going to push. That's all. See, character by character comparison is going on. If it is equals with pi, we are moving that, excluding that pi, remaining thing we are making a call recursively. In the place of pi, I am substituting this. If a pi is not matched, we should not move the complete string. We are moving character by character. That's why I am appending that character. From the next character, is the match is there or not, I am checking. For this, the best example is I can able to say pix. Sir, is these two characters? It will check here. Is it equal to pi? No. Then x you have to push. Don't put all these. So we have to put only x. Then we are taking this pi. So again it will be called. Now it is satisfying, right? Then in that place 3.147, which place? Pi place, not single character. That's why I am taking this. So next time previous to this, whatever we have, it will execute. So in this base condition, example, if I am giving only a, then what will happen? It has to return that a as it is. Okay, so for that purpose, I have taken. Now I think this algorithm should work, but let me check. Ayyo, what happened? Here I have taken dot. Sorry. First time we got error. Yeah, enter any string. Sir, I am giving x pix. Sir, is it substituted or not? X. Now x p x x. Is it substituted? No. X p j x. Sir, is it substituted? Sir, only pi. Yes. Sir, I am giving abc. No. Like this, sir, we can able to perform which operation? Replacement. Already we have covered replacement of a character, but we have taken replacement of a string. Okay. So I think no need to talk much about this. You got very clear clarity, sir. Right? Any doubts? Right. Linu, he is giving one more input. Sir, definitely it will work, sir. You need to try from yourself. I'm not a compiler. Keep on putting me. Is it working or not? Yes. Lino XPI. So capital PI. Okay. IPXC. You can cross check. Wherever exact match is there, it will replace. Just now we have seen, right? If you want to ignore the case, we have so many methods. Okay. Right. Sir, let me complete. Actually, the strings got completed, but one person keep on asking about duplicates. Let me cover and then we will wind up. Rest of the things you try by yourself. Implement a program to replace the given string. Sorry, to remove duplicate elements. Okay. Sir, to remove duplicate elements or to remove duplicate characters in the given string. Okay, sir, for example, if I have ABC, so my output should be, if I have ABC, sir, my output should be ABC only. So if I have input as ABC, then my output should be yes, ABC. I think is it possible? Is it possible? Okay, we will try. If not, yeah, that's what. If not, you people can try. Okay. So here I'm going to take something like, what is a function name? So remove duplicates. So string I am passing and also index value I am going to pass. Okay. So if index value is less than 1, then less than 1 means we have to return that string as it is. Okay. We have to return that string as it is, original string. So else what we have to do? So yes dot substring of so index minus 1 comma index plus 1 dot I can use contains method where I am taking yes dot char at of index. So in the given index, whatever character is there, is that a character is available in rest of the strings we have to check. That means starting from index minus 1 to okay. So we will frame this condition later. Keep it in mind. Right. Sir, first we have to prepare base condition. Sir, what is the base condition? So if your string length, that is nothing but if index value is less than 1, just I'm going to return yes. So what is the next one? So I'm going to check one more if condition, recursive condition 1. So if if the given character located at index is in, okay, 0 to index minus 1. If it is available from 0 to index minus 1, sir, then what we have to do? We have to ignore, right? We have to ignore. That means we have to call this remove duplicates method by passing string comma index minus 1, right? Else, that means if the given character located if it is contains in our previous string, so if it is not contains in our previous string, then we have to return, okay, remove duplicates method by passing s comma index minus 1 plus we need to capture that index, right? So s dot char at of index I am taking. So what is the condition for that? We have to cross check. Okay. Ajit, that is going to remove our continuation characters. Here it won't match, right? So because the character which is available here and the character which is available here is different. The character which is available here, which is available here is different. There is a change. Yes, dot. So first we have to find out the substring starting from 0th location to index minus 1, index minus 1, index minus 2 we will take. Dot contains. So s dot character at of, okay, s dot character at of index. So I will frame this character as a string. I will frame this character as a string. Otherwise, we can use dot to string method to convert that into string. Right. Let me check really is it going to work or not. So let me check. Java C. So test.java. Character cannot be dereferenced. So you can't convert this character. Better I will do one thing. I will add empty character, empty string so that it will become a string or not. Yes. As my code compiled fine. Java C. So I'm taking test.java, Java space a test. If the given string is ABC, string index out of bound error for length 3. Ayyo, one extra character we got. It is not at all working. So dot substring of okay, sir. We will check it later, sir. Try to implement. I think you got the concept here. Try to implement. If not, we will see. Okay. Yeah, we can do that. Okay. If you convert every character of a string to ASCII value and check that is present or not. Yeah, we can do like this, but by using recursion is our target, right, Ajit? See, we have solution for this, but using this we are doing. Yeah, try to solve this problem, sir. If you are getting, then happy. If not, I am also will try this program. Once if it is completed, I will explain. Okay. Yeah, tomorrow we will see, sir. With this string related programs will be completed almost. So maybe some 5 or 6 array related programs we will see tomorrow. Then towers of an eye program we are going to discuss. With that we will stop recursion. Okay. Right. So thank you. You can leave the meeting, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah, yeah. Another 2 days I may face this kind of headache, all these things, but it will be recovered.